So I want to add an HDRI to the Blender environment. So right now I've switched from object to word, and I would add an environment texture, add to it, and then I'll link this to the color. So let me open here to look for the HDRI. So see, because I'm using a Mac, it's very difficult for me to locate the exact place where I can find HDRI. So what do? I'll come to my applications. Let me come to my applications. I'll look for Blender here. I have Blender, so I'll open, I'll click and go to show package content. Then over here on the content, I'll go to resources, I'll go to 4.1, I'll go to data files, and I'll go to Studio Lights, and then over here you have Word, right? So this Word, I would double click also to open get information. So I'll copy this where it is, this link, I'll copy this source, I'll copy it, and I'll come back to Blender, I'll paste it here. It takes me to the directory, Word directory, and so I can now locate my individual HDRI. So I'll open this one. Let me go to the rendered display mode so I can see them. So now I can easily switch to different HDRI and see how it displays. So I hope this helps. Follow me.